10 Best Places for Scuba Diving. Scuba diving opens the door to a silent, colorful universe beneath the waves. From coral gardens bursting with life to dramatic shipwrecks and thrilling shark encounters, the ocean offers unforgettable adventures for divers of all levels. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. 1. Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Stretching over 2,300 kilometers along the coast of Queensland, the Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system on Earth and one of the most iconic scuba diving destinations in the world. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is so vast it can be seen from space, and beneath its surface lies a breathtaking underwater paradise. Divers can explore more than 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands, each offering unique marine ecosystems. The reef is home to over 1,500 species of fish, 400 types of coral, sea turtles, manta rays, reef sharks, and even migrating humpback whales during certain seasons. Crystal clear waters, warm temperatures year-round, and excellent visibility often exceeding 20 meters make it suitable for beginners and experienced divers alike. From shallow coral gardens to dramatic drop-offs and underwater caves, the diversity of dive sites ensures that no two dives are ever the same. 2. Blue Hole, Belize. The Blue Hole in Belize is one of the most famous dive sites on the planet, recognized for its perfectly circular shape and deep blue color visible from the air. Located near the center of Lighthouse Reef Atoll, this massive marine sinkhole measures about 300 meters across and plunges over 120 meters deep. Formed during the last ice age, the Blue Hole features dramatic stalactites and limestone formations that create an almost cave-like underwater experience. As divers descend into the depths, sunlight gradually fades, revealing a mysterious and surreal environment. Reef sharks, Caribbean reef sharks, and occasional hammerheads patrol the area, adding excitement to the dive. 3. Raja Ampat, Indonesia. Raja Ampat, located in West Papua, Indonesia, is often described as the most biodiverse marine region on Earth. This remote archipelago consists of over 1,500 small islands surrounded by turquoise waters and thriving coral reefs. Scientists estimate that more than 75% of the world's coral species can be found here. Divers are treated to colorful reef fish, pygmy seahorses, wobbegong sharks, manta rays, and schools of barracuda swirling in crystal clear water. The reefs are pristine and relatively untouched, offering vibrant coral walls, drift dives, and dramatic underwater pinnacles. Strong currents in some areas attract large pelagic species, making it a paradise for underwater photographers and experienced divers. The stunning above-water scenery of limestone karst islands only adds to the magic of this destination. 4. Maldives. The Maldives is a tropical paradise made up of 26 atolls and over 1,000 coral islands in the Indian Ocean. Known for its white sandy beaches and luxury resorts, it is equally famous for world-class scuba diving. The warm, clear waters host manta rays, whale sharks, reef sharks, and massive schools of fish. Divers can explore coral villas, underwater pinnacles, drift along channels, and discover colorful reefs teeming with marine life. The Maldives is especially renowned for manta ray cleaning stations, where divers can watch these graceful giants glide effortlessly through the water. Visibility often exceeds 30 meters, and the year-round warm climate makes it an attractive destination for divers globally. 5. Red Sea, Egypt. The Red Sea along Egypt's coast is famous for its crystal-clear waters, colorful coral reefs, and historic shipwrecks. Destinations such as Sharm el-Sheikh and Hurghada provide easy access to vibrant reef systems. The Red Sea's unique salinity and warm temperatures create ideal conditions for coral growth, resulting in stunning underwater landscapes. Divers can encounter dolphins, reef sharks, turtles, and Napoleon wrasse. One of its highlights is the famous SS Thistlegom wreck, a World War II cargo ship resting on the seabed, filled with motorcycles and military equipment. The mix of natural reefs and historical wrecks makes the Red Sea a diverse and exciting diving destination. 6. Palau. Palau, located in the western Pacific Ocean, is renowned for dramatic drop-offs, strong currents, and large marine life. Blue Corner is one of its most famous dive sites, where divers hook onto reef edges to watch sharks, tuna, and barracuda swim by in powerful currents. The waters are incredibly clear, offering spectacular visibility. Palau also features the unique jellyfish lake, where snorkelers can swim among harmless jellyfish. Coral reefs are healthy and colorful, and the abundance of pelagic species makes every dive thrilling. The blend of adventure and biodiversity makes Palau a top choice for experienced divers. 7. Cozumel, Mexico. Cozumel, an island in the Caribbean Sea off Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, is famous for its drift diving along the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef. Strong but manageable currents allow divers to glide effortlessly over coral walls and swim-throughs. The water is warm and exceptionally clear, often offering visibility beyond 30 meters. Marine life includes sea turtles, eagle rays, nurse sharks, and colorful reef fish. The coral formations are dramatic and healthy, creating vibrant underwater landscapes. Cozumel's well-established dive infrastructure makes it easy for beginners and advanced divers to enjoy multiple dives per day. 8. Galapagos Islands, Ecuador. The Galapagos Islands are legendary for unique wildlife found nowhere else on Earth, both above and below the surface. Diving here is known for large marine species such as hammerhead sharks, whale sharks, sea lions, and marine iguanas. The nutrient-rich currents attract massive schools of fish and pelagic predators. The volcanic underwater terrain adds to the dramatic experience. Though conditions can be challenging with strong currents and cooler waters, experienced divers are rewarded with thrilling encounters. 9. Sipadan Island, Malaysia. Sipadan Island rises dramatically from deep waters in the Celebes Sea and is widely regarded as one of the top dive sites in Southeast Asia. The island's steep walls drop thousands of meters, attracting abundant marine life. Divers can witness massive schools of barracuda forming tornado-like formations, green sea turtles resting on reefs, and white-tip reef sharks cruising by. The coral gardens are vibrant and healthy, and the limited number of daily diving permits helps protect the ecosystem. 10. Fiji. Fiji, often called the soft coral capital of the world, offers dazzling coral reefs in every imaginable color. Located in the South Pacific, Fiji nutrient-rich waters create ideal conditions for soft corals and marine life. Divers can explore coral walls, caves, and shark-feeding dive sites. Species commonly spotted include reef sharks, bull sharks, manta rays, and countless tropical fish. The friendly local culture and professional dive operations enhance the overall experience. Warm water temperatures and good visibility make it suitable year-round. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.